Hi, my name is Wayne Dean, and I'm a building scientist, I'm an inventor, and I'm also a manufacturer. And I also see the world a little differently than most folks, as I practiced law for 16 years, and I learned how to win jury trials by applying forensic psychology. And as a result, I won more than my share of them. But let's talk about indoor air quality for a moment. Radon. Maybe high radon levels have prevented you from completing a real estate sale, or prevented you from obtaining long-term financing for a purchase, or prevented you from refinancing a property. Or maybe radon has presented a health risk to your family or to your residents, and you want to do something about it. Or maybe a resident has contracted lung cancer and died, and that when the unit was tested for radon, the air they were breathing was well above the U.S. EPA action level. What would you say to the lawyer and to the jury when the lawyer asks you why you did not warn the residents or act, even though you knew that radon was present in the unit that you were renting or selling to them? Not pleasant thoughts at all, are they? Wouldn't it be nice if you could find an almost magic technology that would make radon go away in each one of those higher radon units in an entire apartment building, no matter how tall or what floor it was on, even in a 30-story building? And even if there were no balconies? And it wouldn't be especially nice if you could make a radon go away permanently in a unit in less than 2 hours, in and out the door, without needing to clean up any mess at all? And the whole installation could be completed from indoors, even on the 20th or the 30th floor, without requiring any soffits, or new ductwork construction, or repainting, or cleanup whatsoever. And the cure could be completed while the residents had gone to a 2-hour movie or grocery shopping. And the cure would include a first-class long-life filter that would remove 95% of asthma and allergy triggers from the outdoor air. And it could be changed from indoors after removing about 95% of the pollen, mold spores, PM 2.5, soot, and even smoke, and having done it for 2 years. And on top of all that, the cure would have fully automatic operation by keeping the system off when no one was home and automatically turning it back on when they returned. And by speeding up and slowing down airflow as necessary to maintain excellent indoor air quality, to prevent high indoor relative humidity and uncomfortable temperatures regardless of outdoor weather. No matter how hot, how cold, how wet or dry the outdoor weather might be, or how few or how many occupants were present, well, you can have it right now. And it always works to make radon go away. And installs with little noise in 2 hours or less in and out the door. And it installs completely from indoors. In addition to being quick and clean, installation is super clean and requires no new construction, repainting, or cleanup whatsoever. It is done with a special, unique boring rig that I designed and manufactured called the Blue Boar, in which I invented and manufactured specifically for this special purpose. The system includes a high-performance MERV 1415 filter that needs service only every 24 months and can be serviced from indoors. I designed it and have it custom manufactured in a well-respected air filter factory. My Type 3 custom high-performance filter removes about 95% of all pollen, mold spores, PM 2.5, microparticulate, soot, and even smoke for at least 24 months before it needs to be replaced. And the replacement can be done in 5 minutes without tools and can be done from indoors. Sensitive residents will enjoy significant and noticeable relief from asthma and allergy triggers. House dust will be reduced noticeably. And incredibly, cognitive function and sleep will improve because the system's ability to analyze the air minute by minute and to maintain a constant carbon dioxide level of around 600 parts per million just has been recommended by the Harvard School of Public Health and the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory research scientists. Now, what is this remarkable system called? It's called the FAM Daisy Ductless Module and the FAM Smart Ventilation IAQ Controller. They are the well-proven hearts of the FAM system from Fresh Air Magic, and you can start making radon go away right now. By the way, beginning July 1st, 2017, in most states, including Florida, the law requires that all new homes have a fresh air system installed when they are built, unless testing shows that they are excessively leaky and are not energy efficient. The need for fresh air has now been well established, but few residences built before January 1st, 2017 have a fresh air system installed, and that is why so many of them have radon problems. That is changing, and it is now mandatory. And Fresh Air Magic now makes it easy to retrofit existing buildings with the ventilation systems now required by law in new construction. See http://freshairmagic.com and call me, Wayne Dean, today, 239-571-2227, or email me at wayne@freshairmagic.com.